Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitHub branch protection rules for pull requests, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to GitHub. Log in to your GitHub account. Locate the repository for which you want to configure branch protection rules. Click on the Settings tab on the repository page. In the left sidebar, select Branches. Under the Branch Protection Rules section, click on Add Rule. In the branch, consider using wildcards for patterns if you wish to protect multiple branches. Below the pattern field, you'll see various options to customize your protection rules. Check the box for Require pull request reviews before merging. Here, you can specify the number of required approving reviews. Enable Require status checks to pass before merging if you have status checks set up. Select the specific status checks that must pass before merging. You may also choose to enable Require branches to be up to date before merging. This ensures the branch is in sync with the base branch before. Consider enabling Include administrators to enforce these rules for repository admins. Once you've configured the settings to your preference, click on Create or Save Changes. The branch protection rules are now in effect for the Test the configuration by creating a pull request on that branch. Ensure that the rules you set are being enforced as expected. Adjust any settings as necessary by returning to the Branch Protection Rules page. Your repository is now better protected from unauthorized changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.